Good afternoon, YouTubers. This is Brian from Search for Deal. Today, I'm gonna open multi-sports buyback from Certified Sports Cards. I think it's a Series 19. Multi-sports means baseball, basketball, and football. And this is I think they ship out on January 1st, so it's 2019. Would be a Series 1 box. So I guess this is the last box from 2018. And here is the checklist. Mine is box number 23 out of 25. And feature hits is Jason Tatum auto cards and Tyreek Hill RPA and Goldschmidt autograph. And here's another hit that you can hit with this multi-sports package. Buyback repacks. Let's do this. Yeah, another two packs instead of 4 packs. Guess they reduced to 2 packs because they start shipping. I think it's hobby pack. Yeah, it says H. It's a hobby pack. So I'd rather get 2 hobby pack than a full retail pack. So let's open this 2 pack first. Because I didn't get any hit from my last 2 hobby pack, baseball hobby pack. So I mean the basketball. So. What is this? 18 Series 1. So I don't know what they have in the hobby pack. And Zimmerman, the Nationals, one of favorite player. Here you go. Silver Slugger, Adam Wainwright. J.P. Crawford. I think this is a variation. Yeah, no Acuna for this pack. And it is 17 playoff NFL card, football card. Brenda Cunningham. CJ rookie card. Mac. This was a Raiders uniform. Matthew Stafford. Yeah. One of blew out quarterback. Philip Rivers. I hope he makes the playoff this year. I think this is the last he could get. This is the closest he could get for his career. I think. I don't know. I might be wrong, but yeah, 2 hobby packs. Nothing special. Nothing exciting. Why is that? I don't know. Oh, here's their business card. If you need it. Look. Focus. You can email them if you're a first-time buyer. They send you out a 20% off coupon, I think. There's a multi-pack. First one was Johnny Bench. Looks like it's from a high-tech package. Ooh, let me see. Yeah, Johnny Bench. It looks like this. I think it's made out of plastic, whatever. Personally, I don't like this card because it's so easy to scratch it up. Next one, Tart autograph, Leaf draft. Yeah. Again, personally, I don't like Leaf cards at all. Their card quality is like, yeah, It's not there. I mean, it's nice to have autograph, but next one is Prism Mark Gasol. Guess he's getting home. And last one, Dirk Red, White, Blue Prism. I have a couple of his Prism card. Guess he's about to retire. And the next one is Broxton, 24 out of 50. Another high. Is high tech? I think so. It's own card. Nice looking card. And it's got that little prismish in the back. Because regular, I think regular is just gray, silver. This one has that round prismish patterns. Nice card. What's the next one? NBA Hoop Ayton rookie card. Nice. Not number, but DeAndre Ayton. It's a base rookie card. It's not bad. Let me see. I think this is the last one. The last is Inception rookie RPA Tria Turner shortstop. I love Inception design. It's got that nice team logo, drawing, painting style picture. And it's a sticker order though. 2016 Bowman Inception Baseball. Oh, okay. It's not numbered though. I thought it was a number, but I guess not. It's not numbered. So that's it for the first box. And oh well, what the hell? I'm gonna open second box because I ordered 2 boxes and. Yeah, I don't want to make another video. It's gonna be a little longer than I expected, but hey, bear with me. It's 13. This box is 13 out of 25. Same hit list here. If I have a lucky enough, hopefully this box is a little bit better than last box. Still, ooh, I got the fat pack here. This one is much better than last pack. Same 2018 Series 1 Playoff 17. It's got much thicker than last pack. Either it's a patch or our favorite filler. I hope it's not filler. I'll be really mad. Kirk Cousins kind of blowout. Tyrod Taylor, yeah. Mac, and it is a freaking filler. Come on. Ugh. Hate that. Why did they put the filler in it? Rookie card. Miles Garrett. Stargazing. Elliott. Flea Flicker. Come on, Manning. He has to be retired. I'm a Giants fan and I love Manning, but gotta go. He better be retired this year. I mean, why? What's the point to staying keep playing? Because he can't throw. Beckham Jr. Perkins. Masha Fork. Old. Yeah, if you want this, there's a code. Again, nothing much. It sucks. Oh well. That's the thing, you have to take it if you open the pack. 18 Series 1 Hobby Box, J.D. Davis, Ryan McMahon, rookie card. Here's the 80s style, 35th anniversary, Adam Jones, Martinez, Flaherty. He keeps following me. I have so many cards of him. That's it. Again, it's a hobby packs, but never get out of full packs. Hit nothing. Nada. Zip. That's not good. There's a multi-pack. Hey, I see Stephen Curry. Oh, there you go. First one. Bowman Bass. Glare Torres. Nice. Rookie card. This is nice card. Is it base though? I don't know. Hard to tell. Not number. But nice rookie card. Bowman Best. Ooh, autograph. Press pass. Authentic. Javaris James. 15 out of 199. Congratulations. Press pass signing certified authentic autograph. This card was personally signed by Javaris James, Miami. 2010. Its own card. It's a nice looking card. Honestly, I don't know the player. Studmeyer, silver. Prism. What year is this? 1819. Guess with the Suns. Red, blue, white prism. Stephen Curry. 1819. Not numbered. Oh, I guess they don't have a number. It's a nice card. It's not a rookie or anything, but I'll take that. Ooh, look at this. Sandy Koufax, Dodgers. Is it 83 out of 99? Can you see that? It's a high-tech card. And here's all the stats, but hard to read. It's so small. It's nice. Dodgers pitcher. It's a nice card. Not a huge name. Another autograph. Freddie Peralta, Milwaukee. Another picture. Extra edition. It's a 2017 Panini Elite. That number. Nice looking card. Let me see. Oh, this is the last one. What is this? Ooh! Frank Thomas autograph from Optics. Significant signature. And it's got the nice silver prism-ish effect. What is it? 2016 Panini Optic. Nice. This is, I never had a Frank Thomas autograph. It's not on card, it's a sticker, but Panini always does that sticker autograph. They don't. I guess they have a on card. I don't know, but this is a nice card. Jeez, I love Frank Thomas, but it's not numbered. But I'll take this, you know. I think this is the best pull out of 2 boxes. Nice. Frank Thomas autograph. That's it, guys. It's 2 boxes from Certified. What is this? Certified Sports Cards. Multi-sports buyback boxes. And kind of disappointing on the hobby packs, but hey. This Frank Thomas autograph made it up everything. So thanks for watching, and please subscribe my channel so I can open more boxes, and don't forget to press like button, and have a nice rest of the weekend or have nice weekdays, and thanks for watching. Bye.